How's it going, guys? I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be learning how to make a crab cake scampi, homemade crab cake. So make sure you hit that like button, make sure you watch all the way to the end, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let's get it. Alright, so first you're going to need 1 egg. Also, you're going to need 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of a base seasoning, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Let's just go ahead and mix that all in there real fast. Just get it real even with a good consistency. All right, you're gonna need 8 ounces of lump crab meat. All right, then you're gonna add 8 ounces of special crab meat. Just gonna mix it in a little bit. Try not to break up the lump crab meat. All right, so you want to add a teaspoon of oyster sauce to the mix as well. Just a teaspoon of oyster sauce. All right, just go ahead and mix that in. Try not to break up the lump crab meat again. You don't want to break that up, so just give it a light little whisk. Then you want to add a 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. All right, and as you can see, I have my 8-ounce crab cakes. I'm going to put this in the oven for approximately 10 to 12 minutes on 450 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, now for the scampi, you want to add 2 teaspoons of olive oil to a heated skillet. All right, then you want to add 3 tablespoons of butter. Make sure you mix that around, try not to burn the butter. All right, then you're going to add a 1/2 cup of white wine. Make sure that you burn out the wine and make sure you cook it down until it starts to thicken up and condense. And then we're going to add our other ingredient. All right, you see that the sauce is thickening up. Now you're going to add your 1/2 cup of red onions. Then you're going to also add 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning. Want to make sure that you get the Old Bay seasoning in there as well. All right, then you want to add salt, pepper to taste, to your preference. All right, then you want to add a teaspoon of minced garlic. All right, then you're gonna add a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of parsley to the mix. Then you're just gonna mix that in there as well until the sauce thickens up. All right, so now that the sauce is thickened up, we're gonna go ahead and add our noodles. It's up to you what noodles you use. I'm using thin spaghetti noodles in this video, but you can also use angel hair spaghetti. That's actually really good with this as well. But like I said, in this video, I'm using the thin spaghetti, but it's up to you. All right, and there you have it, guys. You have your homemade crab cake scampi. If you like the video, make sure that you hit the like button, leave a comment. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Other than that, man, guys, until next time, thank you, guys. Peace out.